So I have a ingrown hair here, and I actually have some coming in on this side as well. They're not necessarily as big as this one, but they're a little tucked. So today I'm actually going to be using my essential skincare toolkit to actually help me out get these from being untucked under the skin, because I need something sharp. I need something fine-tuned that's actually going to be very precise at pulling the hair. I'm not trying to spend too much time picking at my skin, which is what causes dark marks. These are the 3 tools: blackhead tweezers, we have a, flip that up, a pimple popper, and we have an actual another form of a pimple popper. Yeah. So I don't want to keep digging, then that become, a darker mark that it could have been if I just would have stopped. So my ideal situation after I go through and I pull all the ingrown hairs out, wash my face, and I actually do the Indian healing clay. And that helps dry anything else out that, may be inflamed or may, still have like some pus or something. That Indian healing clay is going to suck all that stuff out and dry everything out, and it's going to make it a lot easier for me to just deal with the ingrowns on a regular. And again, my essential skincare toolkit, my Mitch kit, that has all these tools: blackhead tweezers, pimple popper, and a sharp point for popping pimples if you need it.